Hi Colette and Lucky. This is your garage roof here, where Craig's looking down there. As you can see, that's where the water's dripping from the soffits and fascias just underneath here. So ordinarily what you would expect to find is some breakage or damage somewhere along here that's getting in and running along through the soffit, or alternatively something up this edge here broken or damaged, letting water in, which is then running into the soffit underneath, running down and dripping out of there. But there's nothing to see. We've got a tiny bit of a corner off there, and you know, there's no way that amount of water's getting in there. There's a tiny bit of a breakage there, but that couldn't possibly cause it, not to that degree. If you remember this morning, it was dripping, which means that there's quite a lot of water getting in for it to drip for so many hours. I mean, it's yesterday, isn't it, since it rained? So, you know, the fact that the water's still dripping today means there's an awful lot getting in. So it can't be something as insignificant as that. So, in short, what we're saying to you is that we can't see what the problem is. You can see from the video that there's no actual breakages here. So I think the next way forward, if you want us to get to the root cause of this and rectify it, is we're going to have to take off a section of roof here, this bottom corner, and trace where the water's coming in. Usually when you take off a section of roof, there's telltale signs. You get staining where the water's been running, and we'll be able to trace it back and find out where it's coming in. As you can see, there's nothing wrong with the roof. That's visually apparent. So I think that's the only thing I can suggest is, if you like, exploratory surgery. So I'm sorry that's not what you wanted to hear. You wanted me to say, oh, there's a broken tile, but I'm afraid there isn't. So, end of report.